Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find TikTok inside the Playful Rewards app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Playful Rewards app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside, look at the bottom menu or the main dashboard. Many app has a search icon or a game app section where all linked apps like TikTok are listed. Tap on search or scroll through the app list until you see TikTok. Sometimes it's labeled as Connect TikTok or TikTok Rewards, depending on the versions of the app. Once you find the TikTok tab on it, the app may ask you to log into your TikTok account or authorize Playful Rewards to link both accounts. This is safe and needed to earn rewards. After connecting, you will see your TikTok listed under linked app or rewards app. Now you can earn points, complete challenges, or track activity from TikTok inside Playful Rewards. And that's it. Now TikTok is connected inside Playful Rewards on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.